Hey, I decided to do a little short video, show you what I do. This is the G-Man, driving a semi out here on the road. There's my International ProStar Plus from AIM Leasing. AIM hired me, but I'm working for Astro. Astro shapes out of Struthers, and they deal with aluminum extrusion. And this trailer, special trailer, they call them Conestogas, where you can move the tarp back. The tarp is on a rail system, and you unhook it and you can expose certain parts of the trailer. So I'm here at my first stop, and there's the load. And it's strapped down. That's how you strap the load down, and you tighten it down. I'm just waiting for the receiver to come out and start unloading me. Tarp is just about halfway up. And here comes someone now. But that's what the load looks like. These 6 bundles to the left, 3 on the left, 3 in the center, is going to this customer. And these 2, I'll restrap and send them back.
How you doing today, sir?
I'm doing well. Yourself?
What am I getting offer here for?
You're getting 6. Over on the left hand, left and center is what you're going to get.
Right here?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And that's all yours.
Lucky me.
Happy Thanksgiving. You're on this video now. You don't mind, do you? The whole world is going to see you. You might as well tell them who you are.
I'm Mike.
That's Mike. Mike is going to receive me today.
Yeah, I'm going to get the fork truck now.
All right, Mike. And so that was Mike. And so that's basically what I do. So this shouldn't take long. He's going to pull those off. And there's some racks there. He may want to put those on. I've been asked to pick up racks today. Evidently, the drivers on these runs do not pick up the racks. That's what I'm thinking. But so they asking you guys to do it, because they know I'll do it. But that's basically it. You see the rest of the load. I have 3 more stops on here. They've got it crammed in there. And so all day long, I'll be working with, well, I shouldn't say all day long. Hopefully around noon, 1 o'clock, I'll be done and headed back to White Town. And that's it. Again, this trailer is called a Conestoga. It's a flatbed with a rail system in there. I don't know if you can see that. We'll see how that works. It has a metal frame, and they slide on rollers. And so you can slide them back and forth. And then when I'm done here, I'll strap it, close it, tie it down in the back, and then go on to the next stop. That's it for now. Ciao for now. Talk to you later. G-Man 45, Yankee Oscar 24. I am out.